We build our world. Ever imagine another version of yourself magnetized to abundance? A radiant twin who effortlessly attracts opportunities where money flows like rays of sunlight through leaves? Well, what if I share a secret? What if I reveal that everyone can access an ultimate body double? When constructed in a specific way, that shimmering reflection in the mind holds relevance and significance far beyond any common daydream. We can construct this thought form as a blueprint, awaiting manifestation through the power of our mind. Do not dismiss this as if some sci-fi experiment, because this specific type of visualization can serve as a very powerful tool to close the loop to our desired future. In this video, we explore a powerful visualization technique that goes beyond mere positive thinking. It involves creating our personal money magnet, a doppelganger of financial success, and using it to draw wealth into our life. Curious? Intrigued? Well, both ancient philosophers and modern neuroscientists study and validated this technique as viable and effective. In fact, entrepreneurs, artists, and even Olympians use variations of this technique to live their most ambitious dreams. So, buckle up, beautiful souls. Because in the next few minutes, we'll review how anyone can crack the code that leads to wealth and abundance by this specific type of visualization. We'll unlock secrets to crafting our own money double. In so doing, we unleash magnetic power to attract more wealth. Ready? Then let's dive in. Here at Better World Zone, our best thoughts and our best actions build our best world. Subscribe now to be part of the best world. Step 1. Meet our wealthy twin. Crafting our doppelganger of abundance. When we want to attract money, it can help for us to compare our actions to how when we water a seed, we grow a beautiful plant. The act of creating a vision board helps. But how do we amplify the positive impact of our vision boards? By forming a video in our mind. Not just any video, but a video where we watch our future self in action, as if in real time. We transfer our mind to a future point in time. Upon arrival, we watch this version of our highly successful and wealthy future self pull financial abundance our way. Observe how effortlessly money arrives. Feel the ambiance. Notice the details. How do we do this in a way that holds the highest impact? How do we connect the loop with the strongest bond, as if with superglue? We construct our own doppelganger whose actions divert multiple streams of wealth our direction. Listen carefully to this next part, because those who succeed in creating their dream future construct it in the following way. Instead of only seeing that nice car parked in the driveway, we see ourselves as the driver sitting inside our car. Not that car, but our car. It's ours. We drive our fancy car into the driveway. We drive our fancy car whenever we want. We slip into the sleek leather seat, basking in the sunshine, reflecting off our designer shades. We cannot emphasize enough how important it is for us to imagine our daydream with us as the central figure in our future life story. Most people fail to move thought forms into reality because they observe only the objects they want, while also observing themselves as if they were another object in this future outcome. To lock our trajectory into a successful outcome, we must merge both our current trajectory and our thought form of our desired future in a very specific way. The most effective and most efficient method to merge our current trajectory with our desired future creates us as the experiencer of our desired future. From our future self, we must look outwardly through our future eyes to recognize details of that future time. When done optimally, this feels as if remembering or re-experiencing a memory. It's about crafting an image of ourselves, living our best financial life. Think about what that involves. Spoke with confidence during negotiations, closed a big deal, gave a TED Talk about business success, bought that dream house with that white picket fence. Our dazzling doppelganger embodies everything we want in terms of financial success. How does an aura of financial finesse encircle this duplicate of us? Think beyond simply possessing money. What does our doppelganger embodying that creates such abundance? Perhaps like Oprah Winfrey in a power suit made of diamonds, negotiating billion-dollar deals. What energy, what attitude, what sensations do we recognize in them? When we move through this exercise, we project powerful vibrations of this thought form to the far reaches of the universe. And this thought form exists as a thought form of us, declaring to the universe that money is a part of my life. It's just attracted to me. Now let's get hands-on. A woman could channel her inner fashionista, dress this money muse to impress. Does she wear tailored power suits or flower-covered bohemian robes? Think of potential details as red carpets, a nicer home, enough excess money to pay for completing a highly beneficial project in the community. Craft their backstory. What's their origin story? How did they build their wealth empire? In what business spheres do they operate? Did they win the lottery? How do they earn enough surplus money to donate to charity regularly? How do they own a private island? Make their life's journey epic. Give them quirks and quips. A person's life involves much more than money. Do they carry a lucky charm? What sentences or signature catchphrases do they say often? Embrace the fun. Let's lay the foundation. We need to understand the science behind this magic. This specific type of visualization actually rewires our brain for success, because when we imagine vivid details about ourselves achieving our goals, our brain starts to behave as if this situation exists already. Our confidence increases, and areas of our brain that activate upon recognizing tangible results and outcomes in real life. Well, brain scans prove that these same areas activate during this type of visualization. Literally, this type of visualization pre-builds and primes our cognitive circuit. This actually holds energy that will travel in this very circuit when we experience this in real life. When we direct our life trajectory in this way, we send out powerful thought forms to the universe. We declare that we receive abundance. Now get comfy, close those eyes, and let's build this magnetic doppelganger together. Step 2. Sculpting our money magnet. So, money magnet in the making, and we understand the science. Now, let's get to the fun part. Sculpting our very own financial doppelganger. Think of it as crafting our person of abundance. First, let's clarify our desires. What do we define as overflowing bank accounts, dream vacations, or finally securing that six-figure freelance gig? The more specific our details, the more powerful our money magnet. Don't feel shy, simply paint in vivid colors. Next, let's get sensory. Imagine our money magnet. How do they walk, talk, dress? Do they exude confidence with a suit tie and expensive shoes? Or do they radiate calmness and abundance in a flowing silk robe and bare feet? Every detail matters. Now, open up those sensory channels. Feel the smooth leather of that briefcase. Hear the clink of coins in an overflowing purse. Smell the fresh scent of success. The more realistic we make it, the more tangible details we identify, the more strongly our brain and the universe connect, or link, to this person who exists as our money magnet twin. And finally, find a power spot. Find a place to envision. A place where we relax, focus, and let our visualizations grow stronger. Maybe a sun-drenched balcony, a cozy corner in our favorite coffee shop, or even the bathtub filled with bubbles. Close those eyes and step into this power spot. Feel the ground, feel the air, feel the ambience. Breathe deeply. Call forth this money magnet twin. See them clearly, feel their presence, and let their energy flow inward. Now, start to radiate their energy outward. Often, revisit this money magnet twin self. Talk to them. Share dreams. When done daily over an extended time and coupled with focused actions, outer financial realities start to transform into this inner version. Consider this as if a personalized guide to sculpting a money magnet that will attract prosperity like beautiful flowers attract pollinators. Remember, belief exists as the key. Believe in yourself. Believe in your vision. Then, watch as the underlying fabric of this universe reorganizes to support these financial dreams. Step 3. Unleash our money magnet twin. We sculpted your dazzling doppelganger, our twin, and we identified many details of their life experience. At this stage, we move them onto the red carpet of reality. Here, we unleash our money magnet's power. Now, we watch prosperity unfurl similar to how a red carpet unfurls to treat royalty. Remember, we must sustain our visualization until our outer world merges with our inner world. Never feel discouraged if this money magnet twin doesn't merge into real life quickly, because nearly everything requires time. Daily visualizations combined with this next step add strength to momentum that carries forward the merging of our outer and our inner worlds. So, how do we add even more energy to our money magnet twin? We add positive affirmations. With enough repetition, positive statements overwrite old thoughts with thoughts that drive our subconscious mind to success. Leverage positive affirmations as if personal theme songs that align with our financial future. Stand in front of a mirror and repeat these. I accept more and more abundance. I accept my financial goals as possible. I'm destined to experience my best future. Display mannerisms of our money magnet twin. If our doppelganger rocks a power suit, wear it with confidence. If they radiate calm abundance, spread that Zen vibe everywhere. Remember, we attract what we embody. Now, let's take our money magnet on a field trip. Integrate them into our daily routine. Visualize them closing deals while sipping morning coffee, negotiating raises during lunch breaks, or celebrating financial milestones by taking a vacation. Remember, detail and belief hold the key. The more vivid our vision, the stronger the signal that we send to the universe. See our magnet embodying our desires, feel their joy, smell the success, and watch as our outer reality starts to transform to match our inner thought forms. Gratitude adds an extra layer, like a secret sauce. So express thanks for any abundance and every recognizable movement closer to merging reality with the envisioned world of this wealthy twin. Expressing gratitude carries more abundance inbound from all sources. Unleash the money magnet twin, add energy via affirmations, embody their persona, their mannerisms, and their words. With gratitude, accept the universe's financial blessings. In these ways, we strengthen our magnetism for prosperity. Step 4. Money magnet magic, tactile interactions. So, money magnets, we sculpted our dazzling doppelgangers. We unleashed their power, and we sent them out into the universe to attract abundance like a cosmic magnet. What more can we do to strengthen our superglue that closes our loop to this future? Find our financial tribe. Connect with like-minded individuals who share your goals and dreams. Brainstorm ideas, support each other, celebrate successes, and learn from setbacks. Next, amplify the gratitude sauce. Every day, write down 3 things for which we feel grateful. Perhaps a cup of coffee, a sunny morning, or positive interaction with another soul. Share our gratitude with others. Send a thank you note, tell someone how much we appreciate them, or give an unexpected gift simply because we can. Volunteer or donate to a cause which we feel holds value. Giving only can occur from a position of abundance. Thus, by giving, we declare to the universe that we possess enough abundance to share, and this attracts more abundance. Our money magnet twin exists as a powerful tool, but we exist as the other player in this 2-player game. Tap into the cosmic energy of the universe to amplify abundance by mirroring behaviors and mannerisms of our money magnet twin. Define financial goals with clarity by writing them, visualizing them with detailed focus, and expressing gratitude for progress toward our goals. Remember, life involves a journey, and acquiring money involves more than merely a metaphorical destination. Enjoy the process, experiment, and find what works best at an individual level. Trust intuition, remain positive, include a little fun, and believe in the power of our abundant universe. By applying this knowledge regularly, we strengthen multiple connections to our most abundant life with surplus money and many other forms of prosperity. These exercises involve reflections of our own potential. Attracting money involves overriding our baseline thoughts with thoughts that incorporate abundance. As waveforms of abundance radiate outward, we create a closed loop of our positive energy of abundance. Our journey to becoming an embodiment of abundance and money involves continuous dances. Better World Zone's valuable insights help to re-energize our journey by refocusing our thoughts and actions daily. The activities we teach here increase our momentum in merging our outer world with our inner world. To this end, Better World Zone provides valuable insights to accelerate all of us on our pathway to success. So, to maintain forward momentum and to unlock even more abundance, we invite everyone to hit the like button, which actually shows your subconscious that you see value in this, like saying, pay attention. Leave a comment about how you want to apply these principles of success in your life, because every like and constructive comment helps to empower others to recognize additional opportunities in their lives. For more tips on financial manifestation, subscribe to Better World Zone to receive notifications of Better World Zone's new videos with our treasure trove of resources to propel you on your journey to greater abundance and success. Until next time, radiate that inner light. Shine brightly, beautiful souls. We build our world.